I am 45 minutes away from LA, and that's a waterfall. Alright, we're just outside LA, over at Paradise Falls. Looks like a pretty cool place to be. Got some muddy feet going on here. You think that's why the trail was closed, babe?
I think so.
My shoes are so heavy, but it is crazy out here. That's commitment right there. He's biking through this mud. California is full of these little hiking trails. It just has awesome hidden gems, you know, waterfalls and mountains and all kinds of things. Sometimes you gotta explore to find them, but when you can go from living in Los Angeles to hiking out here in a matter of 40 minutes, that's pretty awesome. Let's get to the waterfall. It is actually hot out here. Something to be said. California in March. I'm sweating in this jacket. Nikki and Tommy left me because I take too long trying to capture everything. The moral of the story is today, just to try something new. Get outside, get refreshed. This is how we recharge. You need to be out having new experiences. We didn't even know this place existed. I looked it up on Google, 45 minutes later, here we are. So take a look around your area, see what kind of hidden gems there are, and go check them out. Frog. Oh no, baby! Alright, we've literally been trekking through the mud all day. So if you come out here for the waterfall after the rains, expect to get a little bit dirty.